Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to create Outlook email account, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to create Outlook email account. First of all, open your web browser or open your Outlook app in your phone. Now just tap on this create new account. Now write here your email address for your Outlook account. Now tap on next. But remember, you have to write the email address which one is not already exist. So I will add some number after my name. Now next. Now write your password here. After that, just tap on this next. Now write your first name and last name. Now next. Now choose your country and write your birthday here. Now just tap the next. Now it will ask you for a captcha or a verification puzzle. Just solve this. Now if you can see this kind of interface, just tap on this maybe later. Now click on next, accept, continue to Outlook. Now you can see we are already created a new email address or email account on our Outlook. So basically this is how you can easily create an Outlook email account. So if you think this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.